Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Hi, good day everyone over there. I'm Hameedah Su from Wellness Warrior via Hameedah Su channel. Today I will show you a short movie regarding ears. In life, our ear may cause a problem like a noise, and so which we don't like to hear, right? So from there, from that short movie, you will once again be able to enjoy a quiet and peaceful time that you hear your own thoughts again and to finally unwind. Okay, let's go to see my short movie, and please stay until the end and I will come back to say goodbye with you. Okay, let's go.
Revive your hearing and inner peace with our natural solution. Hello and good day, dear viewers. Welcome back to the Wellness Warrior via Hameedah Su channel. Today we have something truly remarkable to share with you, a natural solution for ear health and inner peace that you won't find anywhere else. Have you struggled for months or even years to maintain your ear health and mental peace? Have you tried various remedies with little success? Well, there's a reason none of those worked. Recent research suggests that the root of the problem isn't just in your ears, it's deep within your brain. Imagine a wire connecting your ear cells to the intricate networks in your brain, transmitting sounds and electrical information. When this wire breaks or falters, hearing issues arise. It's time to feed, regenerate, and rebuild this crucial connection to restore perfect harmony. That's why we've created the 100% natural solution for ear health. There's nothing like it out there. With each capsule from our product created, you get a uniquely formulated blend of 18 premium plant extracts, all designed to promote healthy hearing. Our formula includes powerful ingredients like maca root, mucuna pruriens, tribulus terrestris, and epimedium. These elements help balance neuroinflammation, enhance ear tonics, and keep your brain cells healthy. But it's not just about hearing. Ginger, piperine, quamamuira, and catuaba powder serve as potent antioxidants, preventing damage from free radicals and facilitating nerve regrowth. Ingredients like damiana, catuaba powder, vietqual, and asparagus with sarsaparilla root help maintain a healthy blood circulation system, enhance brain function, and even boost cognitive abilities. Plus, we've included essential vitamins A, B, and zinc, which can improve auditory acuity, preserve neural synapses, and support your body's immune response. So, what we offer is a natural compound with no additives, easy to use, non-GMO, and gluten-free. It won't form any habits, and it's your key to inner peace and healthy hearing. Don't let hearing issues hold you back. Reclaim your inner peace and hearing clarity with our all-natural solution. Click the link in the description or from our pinned comment below to learn more and get started today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated so you don't miss our vibrant, balanced journey. Your support means the world to us. Thank you for joining Wellness Warrior via Hameedah Su on this journey to vibrant health. Remember, your well-being is your greatest treasure. Stay well, stay vibrant, and until next time, take care. World peace with love. Bye. See you soon.
Hi, welcome back again. Thank you that you stay with me until the end. So until next video, stay healthy, be well. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye, see you by the next. Take care.